All right, hello at Ed 530. I hope that you had a great week. This is probably getting to a pretty intense time of the semester or of the school year, with different things happening in your buildings and your districts, and hope that you are doing well with all of that and keeping in mind the goal of doing our best for students and also learning as much as you can as well as you go through different experiences, thinking to yourself, how could I apply this when I am a leader, a school leader someday? Or if you are a school leader right now, how can I apply this right now too? Always taking those opportunities for learning experiences. So let's check out what we'll be doing this week in the course as we head to content. It's hard to believe, but we are already in Module 6, Connecting with Families. This week's essential question, what can I learn about connecting with families? We know that connecting with families is becoming increasingly more important in order to reach student achievement levels that we'd like to. So how can we do that better and better? What can we do to connect with families? The required readings for this week are Beyond the Bake Sale, chapters 5 and 6, which is linked right here, and then one chapter out of your school community relations book. This is the book that you've purchased already. Supplemental reading, some ideas here for you if you'd like to check them out. They are optional, supplemental, so go ahead and use them at your own discretion. 6.1 discussion board. What did you learn from the required readings? I want to give a lot of freedom because I want to see what you picked up on and share with other people as well. Comment on your reading, things you learned, wondered, questioned. Make sure it's reflective and substantive. Advance our discussion. What do you really think about school community relations? What are you learning? Make sure that you include at least one APA reference in your response, and include those personal experiences too so that we can keep learning from each other. Your response is due by Wednesday at midnight, and respond to at least 2 of the classmates' responses by Sunday at midnight, so same pattern there. So for this week, we have one discussion board, and then our assignment for the week. School community family event reflection. All right. One of the best ways to build partnerships and relationships is to attend events. People see you out in the community. People see that you're interested in what they are doing. There's maybe a less formal nature to it, so people are more willing to open up, be a little bit more social. Shows that you care, you're interested, you're invested, and you build that political and relational capital that you can use. So what I want you to do is choose a school community family event. It could be an open house, a concert, athletic contest, school program, whatever, school board meeting, family reading night. Pick something where your families and parents will be located after or outside of school hours. Make sure it's at least 90 minutes long. And after attending the event, write a response paper in APA format. Make sure you have a title page, all the other requirements, and includes at least 3 citations from research. Your course textbook counts as research, so pull things out of your course textbook that you apply to the experience. 3 pages long. Use the headings listed here in your paper, okay? And make sure you're following APA, and these are the headings that you would use. And that is our course assignment for the week, doing a experience and then reflecting upon it. I think you will enjoy that, getting a chance to get out into the community and seeing it through the eyes of a school leader. What would a school leader be doing at this event? What should they be doing? What can you learn by attending? And then our questions, anyone here as well. Make sure you use this if you have any questions. All right, that is Module 6. I encourage you to also look ahead at Module 7. You will notice that Module 7 has a discussion board and an assignment as well. The assignment for Module 7 is a partnership and resources plan. Things are listed here that you need. And then there is the document to complete. I made a template for you All you have to do is complete the template and then upload it as your assignment. All right, everybody, you have a great week. Keep leading well, keep teaching well, and we will talk to you soon.